This is Random Team XR1970. Here we go. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top of the end, person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom, person spot 32. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Cincy Bengals. The bottom team is the Atlanta Falcons. 5 times. Here we go. Let's begin. XR 1 box break 1970. Jeez, that has got some. Oh, maybe not. Look girthy. Here we go. Brandon Cooks, Deebo Samuel, Malcolm Perry to 249, to 109 DJ Moore, and a Michael Pittman Jr. jersey to 75 for the Colts. Rookie X triple threats. Sorry. Then on the back, it is a Julian Okwara sticker auto 79 to 109 for the Detroit Lions. Where do we post the teams? Right under where you bought them. And a Willie Gay Jr. rookie. Here we go. Joe Mixon, Drew Lock, a Noah Igbenegene to 109. A Josh Allen to 99, 13.99. Nice to 149 to a Tagovailoa X Factor. And a big old jersey auto, 36 to 75 for the Colts, Jonathan Taylor. That's very pretty. And a Van Jefferson XR. And that is the XR 1970.